In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a QR code for a Google Drive link. This is a handy skill, whether you're looking to share files easily with others, enhance the convenience for clients or coworkers, or simply wanting to make information more accessible. Let's dive right into the process, ensuring that each step is clear and easy to follow. First, you're going to want to head over to your Google Drive. Once there, locate the file or folder you wish to share using a QR code. It's important to ensure that the sharing permissions are set appropriately, as this will determine who can access your content. To do this, right-click the item and select Get Link. A pop-up window will appear, showing who currently has access. Adjust the settings according to your preferences. Perhaps you want the link to be view-only or open for comments and edits. With your link ready, copy it by clicking the Copy Link button. Open a new tab in your browser and search for QR Code Generator. You'll find plenty of free and easy-to-use online tools, such as QR Code Monkey or QR Stuff. Click on one to get started with generating your QR code. Once you're on the QR Code Generator website, you'll see an option to insert your link. Go ahead and paste the Google Drive link you copied earlier into the designated input field. Some generators may offer customization options, allowing you to change the color, shape, and incorporated logo of your QR code. Feel free to explore, but note that keeping it simple often yields the best results, both in terms of aesthetics and scan reliability. After customizing, find the button that allows you to generate or download the QR code. Often this is prominently displayed, labeled with something like Generate or Create QR Code. Click it, and within seconds, your QR code will be ready for use. Now that you have your QR code, think about how you plan to share it. You might display it on a physical flyer, in an email, or directly within a digital presentation. Wherever you decide to place it, test it with your smartphone's camera or a QR scanning app to ensure it works flawlessly and directs users to the intended Google Drive link. That wraps up today's tutorial on creating a QR code for Google Drive links. You now have a powerful tool to make sharing and accessing information a breeze. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more step-by-step guides that help make technology work for you efficiently and effectively. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.